Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it, guys. I ain't gonna hold you guys too long. Give you guys my opinion going into the market on tomorrow, the rest of this week, and also just talk about the overall, setting of this month. This is the final month, guys, of the year. Not just market, not just real life. This is the final month, so you want to make sure giving it your all. You want to have that momentum, that drive going into next year, and not be falling off, acting lazy. You need to stay high energy going into the rest of this year. Also, while you invest in trading, you don't want to force nothing. You don't want to end your year off on a bad note. You either want to stay stagnant from learning, staying the same, ain't lose too much, ain't gain too much. We want to lose very minimal, because it's okay to lose. Like I said, you're going to have to lose at the beginning in order to gain the knowledge from that, in order to win later on. You got to pay. You got to pay to play. You can't become a doctor without paying 250K, $300,000 in school, in doctor school, law school. You got to pay to be a law. You got to pay if you want to make a lot of money in doing something. So, anyways, go ahead and look at it, guys. Go ahead right into it. This is the final month. You got to be safe. You got to be protected. So stock futures are a little changed as traders get ready for the final month of the year. We got right here, we got Bitcoin. You seen that selling off after the market opened at, this evening. It sold off. I believe it's going to go lower. The market could go lower, but we're going to get into that. Dow Jones futures fall. Trump says he's made a Fed chief decision. He said he made a decision, but he's not going to announce it yet. You know how they like to do. They trying to plan and cook something up. You got Bitcoin to drop down to 87K, drop 3-4 grand, $4,000 nearly. I believe Bitcoin can go even lower. Of course, this is going to be choppy. You're going to see crazy swings like you already been seeing, swing up, swing right back down to the downside. Just why you got to be careful. You got to zoom out. Whenever it's fear, that's when you want to be buying for the bounce back up. If you break below a key level, you want to exit. But my thing is going into tomorrow, I do believe the market is back, right back near the highs. You know what I'm saying? It's at the key level. We're gonna talk about the spot. So I do believe it's a lot more potential for it to sell off rather than continue to go higher from here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this though. SPY sitting at 679. Its next key level is around $683. That's where having that resistance at. And if it breaks through that, that's when all hell break loose. It'll take off, to up towards 690ish. So you got to be on the lookout for that. Stay below 683 and start to, continue this sell off. This thing could go down to 668, 670ish quick, guys. My thing is, it ain't about, oh, well, which way is it going up? Is it going down? Don't even focus on that. Focus on the price action. Focus on tomorrow. Focus on zooming out. The first day, new month, the end of the year, Trump trying to come out and say, oh, I got my decision, but I'm going to wait to announce it. He could announce it. I could say what I think, and he could announce it at bill, and then the whole market just do, 30 minutes after the bill, 20 minutes, and the market just flip the script and do something totally opposite. That's what I'm saying. That's part of the stuff you got to learn. Know how to not be so opinionated all the time. Worry about, oh, it's gonna do that, oh, it's gonna do that. Don't worry about it. Just let the market be. Let it do what it's gonna do, and you react to it. You don't stop trying to, oh, do this or do that. Nah, just react to the market. So let's go ahead and take a further look at other plays I'll be looking at. Those are the key levels I'll be looking at. SPY, that key level at 683 to the upside, stay below that. And Bitcoin continue to sell off, and the market looking shaky, looking scary. Of course, I believe SPY will sell off, but the market start to bounce back. We see a reversal in Bitcoin. That's what you want to watch for. Then the market, pretty sure, is probably want to run up and test that key level. So Meta, we will be looking at that. Another thing is, I believe the market can be mixed because there's a lot of stocks that's down bad. They done sold off aggressively. Like one of them is Meta and a few others. But AI, it could sell off even more, the AI sector. But it's a lot of potential to have a crazy swing back up too. So from saying that, it could be a mixed market. That's why I say zoom out and sit on the sidelines, observe. Let's see what's going on first, because you could have Meta flying, the rest of the market down, or AI back up, the market down. Watch some type of stuff like that going on. That's what I'm saying. Be careful. Also watching Tesla and Coinbase. So like I say, guys, be careful tomorrow. Tomorrow is really, watching the main stocks that's good opportunities, Meta, Coinbase, AI stocks, that to be Palantir, Oracle, the whole Nvidia that sold off good, hymns. You want to be watching those stocks that then sold off aggressively for a reversal. If the market continues to, spring back up, be watching for those. And if the market selling off, I'm not even really worried about the individuals. I'm be focused on SPY. You get what I'm saying? So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show _. Feel free to hit me up for a one-on-one call. Feel free to join VIP. Click the YouTube app. Go to the B Hayes Show. Click join on the home page. The third tier give you access to every single play we get in and out of. The last tier exclusive. We give you access to the plays we get in and out of, plus learning, help, anything like that. I love you. Out, and God bless you.